If you lose power to something in your home, first thing to check would be your circuit breaker panel. You want to look for if any breaker here is tripped, and it can be kind of hard to tell sometimes if it's tripped or not. They don't go all the way to the off position when they trip, but looking down here, these are all on. Coming down this side, those are all in the on position. This one's not. This one is tripped. It is not all the way to the off position, but it will not stay in the on position. So the breaker for the disposal here has tripped. To reset that, we need to go all the way to off and then to on. Similarly, if you lose power in, say, like a bathroom specifically, outlets around water, so sinks, kitchens, bathrooms, you might have a GFCI. That's a ground fault protection down at like an outdoor outlet. Typically anywhere that there's maybe contact with water, it's going to be required to have a ground fault protection. So if you just lose power in a bathroom, it might just be that a GFCI outlet needs to be reset. Those are the outlets that have the little test and reset button in the middle. It might not be in that same bathroom. It might be that your hallway bathroom, there's no power to anything in there, but the button to reset is actually in your master bathroom, or vice versa. But you're looking for one of those GFCI outlets to push through, find one that's tripped, and that's likely going to bring power back onto that bathroom.